Hi, and welcome to Market Conversation. Just want to do a position update on Root. I bought 300 shares with an average price of $6.74. This was last week. Look at the charts. So we had a sell-off. This was back early August. Went to a low of $5.19. They reported earnings wasn't great, but we did bounce back above $6. So right now we are struggling to get above 680, it seems like. So today it closed at 655. It was up over 2%, and after hours it actually went up, tried to break 680 but couldn't, and now we are sitting around 671. And the reason why I decided to buy shares of Root is because they have a very high short interest, meaning there is a possibility of a short of all these stocks with high short interest. If we take a look at Root has 30.72% short interest, 62.10 million floats, 114.19 million outstanding shares, and they are part of the insurance industry. We take a look at the options chain right now. We have a lot of open interest for the 750 strike price that expires this week. It's pretty soon. It's $30 per contract. I probably won't get into these contracts just because they are a little bit expensive, but you just never know sometimes. If I were to get into it, I would probably pick an expiration dates that's further out, possibly a 16 December. So these are going for $165, so $165, or even further out, we have December of 2022. So this is a leap call, and it gives us plenty of time for the stock to go above or close to 750 by then. And here we have 1,000 open interest. So a lot of people are still buying leaps. And if we take a look, we have January 2024 now. So options chain are open for 2024. So no volume there. 2023, we have 36, not too much volume. Just gonna wait on my shares to see if anything happens. I don't mind holding on to shares because they have no expiration dates. Hopefully we can try to break above 680. So that's the next resistance. We did get above 680 on August 30th and tried to break above $8 but couldn't. Hopefully we can try to break above 680. Then we'll try to break above $8. Another stock that I'm looking at is Atarian Incorporated. Ticker is ATER. So I was going to make a video this morning pre-market because I saw that there was a gap up this morning and there was a lot of volume coming in. We can see here today at 4 a.m. Pacific time, it went from a low of $13 all the way to $15, came back down to $13.55, and then it just rallied when the market opened all the way to 19 and came back down to 17 support and went back up after hours. So right now it's trading around $19. I'm definitely going to keep this on my watch list. So these options are very, very expensive. The 17th September, the one that expires this week, they have an implied volatility of 372%. So if you buy these options, you are definitely paying a premium. But nonetheless, people are still buying them. We have the 20 strike price, 3,000 open interest, 47,000 traded today. We just never know. Possibly it's gonna hit 20 or more tomorrow if the momentum continues and there's heavy volume tomorrow. Most likely it can hit 20 or above. This morning they did not have 30 and 35 strike price. They actually just opened them up today and people are buying them. We have 527 traded today, 35 strike, and these are going for $65. Tomorrow, what I'm gonna be looking at is the volume, where the stock is trading at and possibly either sell a cash secure puts. We have a 1250 strike. These are going for 0.50. So for every cash secure puts, I can receive $50. It's not a lot of money, but every little profit that you make, it definitely adds up. Or thinking about selling a naked call, I would only sell 1 or 2. That's it, max. Because back in June, I over leveraged, sold too many, portfolio always liquidated. Learned my lesson to never rely on the buying power and just to sell what you can afford to lose. 35 seems like it would be reasonable to sell just 1 or 2, depending on where the stock goes in the next couple of days, because this one expires this Friday. And as long as the stock is below 20, we should be okay with this as well. So we can see here that the buying power effect, this is where it got me. Buying power effect, it says $190 right now. But if the stock keeps going up, this buying power actually increases. So if you don't have the buying power, you will go into a margin call. This is how they trick you. Be cautious of the buying power effect. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. And come check out the Discord Patreon page. I'm looking for like-minded people like myself who's trying to make money in the stock market or trying to build their portfolios. Hope to see you there.